Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this set I think was filmed maybe in October. We're gonna do a little fixie fix here. So I am taking a form, I cut it, I use the Mia Secret forms, they are my favorite, and I just slide it under that little nail, and we are going to apply gelish foundation, and I like to scrub this into my nails, and then we are going to give that a cure. Okay, taking clear gel, I probably used either cool gel or One Step here. Maybe cool gel. For some reason, I'm thinking it was cool gel, but you know, 6 months ago, mom brain, not gonna work. But just a clear gel, and I like to feather it down. So when you go into file and shape this, it will have something to adhere to so you don't actually end up filing off your tip or breaking your tip when you use your file, because that can cause it if it's too thin. Now we're gonna pinch and pull it off and cleanse it, and then probably file. I was gonna say movie magic, but obviously it wasn't movie magic. Okay, so now we are going to take our clear layer and we are going to embed some of these shells here. Now these shells I got off Amazon. They were super affordable. You can get them off AliExpress, but I can't wait for anything. So I got them off Amazon, and it was larger shells, so I just broke them up. And I'm going to put these on in kind of a scattered motion, but I want to keep in mind that I'm probably outlining this. So when I went in and put them, I left room to have the shell show for when I go ahead and outline the gold. I wasn't sure if I was going to do that, but obviously you know I do. So I'm going to embed that. So I apply that slip layer and then I walk it down, and then we're going to give that a full cure. If you need a better apex, flip your hand upside down and it allows you to bring that gel back to the center. And we are going to repeat the process with the pinky, but I'm also adding some gold flakes in here, and I don't think I outlined this one. I think I just leave this one as the different little flakes. All right, so I'm applying this all over the nail, and it is going to be a nice thin layer because we want something to file back to. So we had that base layer down, and now we have this layer down, and now we're gonna put spilling in your Spanx because we are going to put those gold flakes on top of this one, because I'm pretty sure this was filmed for Christmas, but like I said earlier, I had found some footage that was lost. So I'm finding it and I'm going to upload it anyway. So I added a little bit of a larger bead here, kind of as if I were building up the layers, and then we're going to place those gold flakes in there. It looked a lot more than what it was. This was just to get it opaque, because then we will encapsulate it still. So this was not enough to have it encapsulated. This was enough to make the color opaque. taking Gel Play 14 karat gold, no, 24 karat, which is the gold, and we are going to apply this all over the pointer finger. All right, now we are going to file these guys. I like to take a rounded kind of bit, which is more of like a safety bit. And this is just going to debulk them because I find when I encapsulate, I tend to use a lot of gel. So again, this is like a personal problem here. And I like to take an e-file to debulk them. Now taking that liquid gold, and we are going to outline it, and this is at 200%. So I'd like to go around each individual kind of shell, but then I like to connect it and branch off from it. All right, so we're top coating here, and I do also show the thumb. The thumb is a marble with blooming gel. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and apparently Merry Christmas. Thanks guys, I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.